Hello student, are you ready? I am going to discuss about trigonometrical ratios. The ratios between the lengths of pair of two sides of a right angle triangle is called trigonometrical ratio. There are 6 trigonometrical ratios. First, sin A. In this right angle triangle ABC with the right angle, the angle A, the side to angle A, that is base, and in front of the angle A, that is perpendicular BC, and front of the 90 degree, that is hypotenuse. Sin A equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse BC upon AC. Cos A equal to base upon hypotenuse, base AB upon hypotenuse AC. Tan A equal to perpendicular BC upon base AB. Cosec A equal to hypotenuse upon perpendicular hypotenuse AC upon perpendicular BC. Sec A hypotenuse upon base hypotenuse AC upon base AB. Cot A equal to base AB upon hypotenuse BC. And now come on the exercise question. Example first. From the following figure, find the values of cos B, tan C, sin square B plus cos square B, and sin B cos C, and plus cos B sin C. This is given AB, AC, and BC. AB is given here 8 unit, and BC is given here 17 unit. AC is not given. We can calculate in right angle triangle by Pythagoras theorem. AC equal to hypotenuse square minus base square. In this, BC square minus AB square, 17 square minus 8 square. After calculating, we will get a 15. From this cos B, this is cos B, so that AB is base. In calculation of cos B, BC is hypotenuse, base upon hypotenuse 8 by 17. Tan C, when we will take the angle C, this becomes AC, base, and AB perpendicular. Therefore, tan C perpendicular upon base, perpendicular, that 8 upon base 15. Sin square B, sin B value, we know that sin B value perpendicular upon hypotenuse in B, this is perpendicular AC, so that is given 15. Sin B square plus cos B square may be right, 15 upon 17 whole square. Same way cos B, base upon hypotenuse, base AB upon hypotenuse BC, 8 upon 17 whole square. After calculating, we will get 1. Now in fourth, sin B into cos C. Sin B, when we take angle B, sin B equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that will be perpendicular AC value 15, and hypotenuse 17, 15 upon 17. Cos C, base upon perpendicular, when we take the angle C, AC become base, and BC perpendicular 15 upon 17, plus cos B, this base 8 upon hypotenuse 17. Sin C, when we will take sin C, this become perpendicular AB, 8 into 17, this after 225 upon 289 plus 64 upon 289, 289 upon 289, that is a 1. Now Example 2, cot theta is given. 1. Find the value of 5 tan square theta plus 2 sin square theta minus 3. So let's take right angle. Draw the right angle A, B, C, and this is a right angle 90. This hypotenuse, this perpendicular. If I have taken theta, this that is base. Now we have in solution this let perpendicular here cot theta equal to 1 means perpendicular upon hypotenuse cot theta equal to base upon perpendicular, that is 1, base equal to perpendicular, let this is x. Therefore hypotenuse equal to base square plus perpendicular square, x square plus x square, we get here x root 2. This x become now this x root 2. Now 5 tan theta tan square theta plus 2 sin square theta minus 3. 5 tan theta equal to perpendicular upon base square plus 2 sin theta perpendicular upon hypotenuse square minus 3 equal to 5 into x by x whole square plus 2 x upon x root 2 whole square minus 3. 5 into 1 square plus 2 into 1 by root 2 square and minus 3. 5 plus 1, 5 plus 2 into 1 by 2 minus 3. 5 plus 1 minus 3. 6 minus 3, this is a 3. This is the solution of the question. Now come on, next question. Example 3rd. Here given sin theta equal to P by Q. Find sin theta plus cos theta in terms of P and Q. Solution. Make right angle triangle first like this as shown in figure. This is right angle B, A, and this C. This you can take theta. Then this is perpendicular and this is hypotenuse. Sin theta equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Sin theta equal to P by Q equal to perpendicular sin theta equal to P by Q. Therefore sin theta equal to P by Q means, or you can say Therefore, H equal to under root P square plus Q square. We require to calculate. This is hypotenuse given. This is a means perpendicular given P, hypotenuse given Q. Therefore, base equal to H square minus P square means Q square minus P square. Therefore, sin theta equal to P by Q, cos theta equal to Q square minus P square base upon hypotenuse Q according to question. Sin theta plus cos theta P by Q plus Q square plus P minus P square upon Q. Therefore, P plus Q square minus P square upon Q. This is the answer. Complete.